Here's another great RV from Parkview RV, where roughing it is not an option.
Hi, my name's Bree, and this is Access by Winnebago. Let's go check it out.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. Now, just like a brochure, this video is just a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. For every RV made, just like a home, there are many variations of features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications, so it's important to contact one of our team members today for actual details about this floor plan. Take note of the clever ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage. Of course, we can't show you everything in this short video. You really have to come in and see for yourself to fully appreciate all this RV has to offer. Fifth wheels, motorhomes, toy haulers, and travel trailers from Winnebago, Lance, Northern Light, Forest River, and more. Parkview RV has whatever you need. Parkview RV, where roughing it is not an option.